that feeling when a guy you like sends you a text at 2 o'clock on a Tuesday night asking if he can come and find you? And then you open the door to him like you've almost forgotten he's coming over. Oh. Hi.
Hey.
Oh my God, definitely not. That does nothing for you. What?
These are my clothes, Boo. I've been wearing these all day.
It's really not that bad at all.
You got them all by the balls, causing waterfalls.
How did you meet?
She used to be our godmother.
But then their parents split up.
Mum died.
You really are very good looking.
Thank you.
Very.
Thank you.
Very.
Thank you.
It's been really nice to spend the day with a normal family.
The only thing harder than having to tell your super high-powered, perfect, anorexic, rich super sister that you've run out of money is having to ask her to bail you out. I'm just going to ask her. I'm just going to come.
Do you need to borrow money?
No.
The boys wanna be her.
It's me! Why did you do that? I thought I was going to get raped!
You're not like other girls. You can keep up.
I should ask you if you want to go out for a drink with me. And I'll be sure to treat you like a nasty little bitch. That was a joke.
Oh, no,
Sorry.
I know.
Yeah.
I know.
Okay. That was like, oh, okay.
I wanna be her. So do you.
How'd you two meet? Oh, I met her on a bus. Yeah. It's so easy to pick up girls these days. I was like, hi, and she's like, oh, take my number from me. It's awesome.